all my might, I shall achieve you my potential inside. Keep closing your eyes. Keep closing your eyes. Don't open it. Okay. You should not open, Dayanand. Please keep closing it. Okay, open your eyes. See, I got a big star for you to say good evening. You know why? See,
Good
it's almost
evening,
been 1 month.
sir.
Yeah.
Rainbow
Yes, good evening,
color.
children.
Rainbow
Good
color.
evening. Yes. It's been almost 1 month and you children are
Rainbow
really...
color.
Yes, rainbow colors. You people are really doing nice in this online class. You're writing your homeworks, you're doing worksheet, you're helping me while doing the worksheet, you're listening properly, you're staying on mute whenever I say, you do all the activities which we do, you're saying the rhymes, you have got nice. I think you have learned many new things. So a big thank you, and the star is for all the children there and the parents also who are helping the children during their homework time and the worksheet. Okay, so the star is for all of you. Give a big round of clap for each other. I'm going to give a big round of clap for you and your parents. You're also giving the clap, right? Okay, then you know whose birthday is today? It's a friend, best friend. Yeah. Shall we all sing for Varnika? Okay, we'll sing now. We'll start now. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to dear Varnika. Happy birthday to you. Yes. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless dear Varnika. Happy birthday to you. Give a big round of clap for Varnika. Varnika, can you stand up? Show us the dress. Thank you, Varnika. Can you show us the dress? I'm saying it beforehand. Wow, it's a nice dress. Very good. Can you just turn around and show us? Come, little closer. Turn around. Wow, nice. Come to your place. Very good. Come. So, what did you do from the morning, Varnika? You went to temple. Very good. You had any chocolate or sweet? What did you have? You had cake. You cut the cake. You had it. Evening, you're going to cut the cake. Okay, very nice. So, what color is your dress? Is it yellow or orange? I'm not able to see. Tell me now. Help me out. The top. Okay. Okay. And the top. What color is the top? Yeah, that's what I asked. Yellow color. You got flowers on your heads too. It's very nice. You look so pretty today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so it's our friend Varnika's birthday today. Last week we had a Lakshita. Hi. Lakshita is saying you happy birthday, Varnika. Thank you. I think you heard it, Lakshita. Thank you so much, Lakshita S.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Varmika.
Okay, quickly we'll mark our attendance and then we'll go on with our activities today.
Good evening, ma'am.
Adya Shri,
Here I am.
Arav,
Here I am.
Akshat,
Here I am.
Arjun,
Ma'am.
Arjun.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Dayanand,
Here I am.
Gautam,
Here I am.
Rutvik,
Here I am.
Jaykrish,
See attendance.
Here I am.
Kaushik,
Here I am.
Pavan, Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan, have you joined us? I don't think so. Okay. Lakshita ji,
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj,
Here I am.
thank you Lakshraj. Nisha, Lekshdess,
Here I am, ma'am.
Satvik,
Here I am.
Nivin Surya,
Here I am.
Roshan, Mahaswin,
Here I am, ma'am.
Rayan, Okay. Sai Charan,
Here I am.
Izan,
Here I
Izan, you're good. You're back today. Okay. Shiva, Shiva,
Hirayan,
say here I am.
சொல்லுடா.
Shiva, what happened? Look at me. Turn this side. Okay.
Say Hirayan.
What happened? Okay. Shravan,
am. Here I am, ma'am.
thank you, Shravan. Varnika, you and Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
You and Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Rayan has joined us now. Shiva, what happened?
Here I am.
He bought many scolding from us, ma'am.
Oh, Shiva, you're a good boy, right? Yes? Yes.
Take one small button and insert the hole in the nose, ma'am.
Shiva, can you do that? You should not do that. Okay? Okay? The button goes inside. What will happen? You should not do. Okay, Shiva, you're a good boy, right? You will listen to Radha ma'am, right? You should result your parents too. Okay?
Say okay.
Show me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your thumbs. I will not start the class unless you show me thumbs up. I showed you big star, right? You're a good boy. Show me thumbs up. I'm going
He is
to wait.
very stubborn, ma'am.
I'm going to count 5. Okay? Before that, you're going to show me thumbs up. 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. No? Okay. Tomorrow, I'm not going to show you thumbs up. Only day after tomorrow, I'm going to show you. Okay, children. Yeah, Kumara Gurubaran has joined us. Very good. Good evening, Kumara Gurubaran and Rayan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Kumara, thank you so much. Okay. So, please, tell me, Rayan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay. So, what we are going to do today is, before we start our worksheet and all the activities, I'm going to show you a kangaroo pose. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. You're going to do, because I'm not able to show you, when I stand, you will not be able to see me clearly. Okay, so I'm going to show you the picture. We are going to do that activity and then only start the class today. Are you all ready, children? Are you all ready? Then show me ready to rock. Like that. Ready to rock. Yes, so happy to see you all. Yeah. I saw Lakshraj, Kavin, Lakshita, Nivin Surya, Shravan, Varnika, Yuvansai, Mahaswin, Saichan. Everybody showed me. Very good. Yes, Lisha. Yes, Rayan. Okay. Put your hands down. Thank you. I saw that. Okay. So now we are going to, I'm going to show you this. Wait, let me show you. Okay. So we are going to do this pose. Okay, kangaroo pose. So how should you do? Should all stand first. Your legs should be wide open. Okay. Bend your knees and hop like a kangaroo. Okay. I will will show you. You saw this? How should we stand? Okay, ma'am will stand now. You're going to see me now, okay? Okay, so you will not be able to hear me. Okay, I'm just taking the mic off. Okay, so let me see how I am doing. Okay. See, I'm standing now. Okay, my legs are wide open. See, I open my legs like this. Okay, and I'm bending. I'm going to hop like a kangaroo. Did you all see me hopping with both the legs? You're going to do like that. Okay, I'm going to see how my children are doing. All understood? You're going to do the kangaroo pose first. Stand. Okay, legs wide apart. Stand. Legs wide apart. Bend your knees. See, ma'am has bent her knees. Bend and then hop like a kangaroo. Okay, 5 times. Ready? Understood? Okay, get ready first. Only you have to say, you have to hop. Ready? Very good, Lisha. Nice. Sai, get up, come on. Okay, Shiva will join us shortly. No problem, Shiva. Take your time, no problem. Others? Yes, Kumaran is ready. Ryan, ready, steady. Ryan, stop first stop. Okay, I'm going to say 5, 4, 3, 2. Roshan, are you not ready? Keep the guns down, get up. Get up. See, your friends are ready. They're waiting for you. Come on, get up, Roshan. Roshan, come on, get up, Roshan. Okay. Go. Hop like a kangaroo. Hop. Yes. Very good, Lakshraj. Yes, little bit bend your knees. Legs should be wide apart. Very good. You're hopping nice like a kangaroo. Very good. Yes, the kangaroo will have its baby Joey on its pouch and then hop like that. Yes. Very good, children.
Ma'am, what is
Who was unmuted? Hopping is like frog. Frog will hop. Rabbit will hop. Who is asking me? Jumping is you're standing in the same place. You jump and go like this. That is hopping. Yes. Okay. Come back to your place, children. Very nice. Come back to your place. Okay. I saw somebody was little bit tired and sleepy. I think now everybody is active. Yes? Yes. I see most of them are active now. Okay, good. Okay, so today I'm going to show you, see, I have been singing, if you remember, day before yesterday, I was singing a rhyme for A sound. Remember that? I'm going to show you that. You're just going to listen the rhyme, okay? If you know the rhyme or if you want to sing, you can sing along with me, okay? So I'm going to show you that. Okay, I hope everybody is able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Anybody show me thumbs up? Yes, thank you, Kevin. Okay, so this is the rhyme I was singing that day, okay? See A, okay? This is A. This is A, capital A and small a. You already know. And now we are learning cursive. We know to write capital A and small a. So what is sound of A? A. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. So what's the next letter to A? It's B. B sound. B sound. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. So sound of B is B. Next one is C. C. K. We are clicking castanets. K. We are clicking castanets. K. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Next one is D sound. Have your hands like this. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. So till Friday, we learnt about D. We learned till D. Okay, today we are going to learn about E. What is sound of E? E, e. Okay, so I'm going to sing the rhyme. You're going to listen. Okay, everybody, eyes onto the screen and ears wide open to hear what ma'am says. Mouth, no talking. Okay, if you want to sing along with me, you can sing or else listen. Okay, children? E, a sound. Okay, e. E. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the eggs like this. How do you crack the egg like this? Right? Crack the egg like this. And this is F. F sound. What is sound or F? F sound. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. I'm going to sing it again. It's sound of F. With my floating fish, it got a hole, the air came out. Do you see this fish? Okay, they are saying, my friends and I went to the beach with this floating fish. And you see there is a hole in the fish, the air comes out through that hole. Okay, so the sound of F is F. Okay, so I'm going to stop this. So we saw A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? So yesterday we missed the worksheet of writing E. So please take the worksheet, yesterday's worksheet first. Okay, we'll complete E. So D21 LTWS01. I'm going to show the worksheet now. And we are going to write together. Let's see who is finishing first and then neatly. Okay, both. So we are going to write this E. Okay, we are going to write E today. Okay, so I'll show the worksheet. So we are going to write this worksheet. Okay, it's D21 LTWS01. Please take this worksheet. It's LTSR D21 LTWS01. This is how we are going to write E today. Okay, I'm going to go to my worksheet. This is my worksheet. Okay, let's see. Is ma'am writing neatly and fast, or my children are writing neatly and fast? Okay, so if you first listen, first write your name and put today's date. Keep your pencil down. Okay, and then you're going to listen to me how we are going to write E, and then you can start writing. Okay. So today's date is 14 July. 14/7/2020. Today's date is 14th July. So first write your name in the worksheet, children. If you are writing in the rough note, I want you to write your name and today's date. Yuvansai, are you writing? Lekshita, did you take the worksheet? Lekshita S. Good. Write your name. Yes, I understood. Write your name and write your name. Lakshraj, what happened to you? Satvik is writing. Roshan, have you written your name and date, Roshan? Yes. Adya, have written? Let me come and see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, yeah, I see Adya. Ready. Arav, Akshat. Yes, they are ready with the pencil and the notebook. Yes. What about Arjun? Arjun is ready. Yes, Arjun. Yes, Arjun.
I want that color, ma'am.
What red color? Okay, so shall we start writing now, children? You're going to write along with. First, you're going to listen. Keep your pencils down. First, listen, and then only you're going to write. Okay? Keep your pencils down. So, E, how do you write E? You're going to start from this here. You can start from the blue line also. Start from the blue line, go up till the red line, and then invert C, and then one more C. So, I'm going to write here. See, I'm going to take my black one. I'm going to start from the blue line, go up. Okay, first one I'm going to do like this. Then I'm going to do rotate like this, put a C, and then like this. Okay, I'll write slowly. So first, curved slanting line, touch the red line. So curved slanting line, touch the red line, put a small backwards bend, put a small C. Okay, then one more C. Okay, so first curved slanting line, go up, put a small C, touch this blue line. Okay, for the first one. Next curve, like this. This is E. E, elephant, eggs. We saw it, elephant. Okay, so slanting line. The sound of E is not E. Please recall and remember what we have learned in earlier classes. E sound is elephant, egg. Okay. So curved slanting line. Now you can start writing, children. Take your pencils. Start writing along with me. Capital E. This is cursor capital E. Curved slanting line. Go up till the. Anybody is having any doubt? What, Kumara Guruparan?
Ma'am, he's asking page number what?
Page number I showed you. You didn't see that time. This is the page number. D21. Yesterday's worksheet. Day 21 LTWS01. Can you help him out? Get that worksheet?
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. You took that worksheet. Show me, Kumara Guruvaran. Have you taken that worksheet? Show me. E. Yes, perfect. Yes, trace the worksheet. You got your worksheet? Very good. Trace on the worksheet. Good, Kumara Guruvaran. Anybody is having doubt in what worksheet we should do? No, right? Okay. So you're going to write with me. We're going to write one line. Okay. Those who are writing in rough note, write 5 E's. Okay. Those who are writing in the worksheet, trace E. Okay. For the first line. Next line, we'll complete it later. So curved slanting line, go up, touch the red line, put a curve like C, and then like this. Okay. So I'll write first step is this. Those who are starting writing now, first step from blue line to red line. Second step, blue line to red line, and then turn and then put C. Then are you all writing same thing? Let me see. Okay. Yuvansai, are you writing, Yuvansai? Yes, Shiva, good. Keep tracing, Shiva. If you trace it nicely the same way, you will be able to write it easily, okay? What about Ryan? Ryan is writing, okay. Yuvansai, you're showing me something.
Ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
This thing finished so quick. Lakshita. Very nice, Lakshita. You understood how to write E. Very good. So quick. See, I wrote only 3. You wrote so fast.
I finished.
Very good, Lakshita. Jay Krish, show me. Wow, Jay Krish. Good job, Jay Krish. You're so quick. You're only first. I am not first at all. I am the last one to come. Yes, Lisha is showing me. Very good, Lisha. Don't give the pencil inside the mouth. Take it out. Take it out. Ah, okay. Very good, Lisha. Yes, Satvik. It fell down. Good, Satvik. Very nice. Very good. Yes, Shravan. Good, Shravan. Very good. Okay. What about rest of the people? Let me go and check. Yes, Gautam. Hi, Gautam. I'm just seeing you now.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, Sai Charan.
How
Good, Sai Charan. Very good. Yeah, Gautam, you got the watch today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. You're writing E? You wrote the name in your worksheet? You wrote your name in the worksheet? Good. Keep tracing. Did you write your name in the worksheet? Show me, Gautam. I'm able to see the date. I'm not able to see the name. Can you just move it towards the left? Yeah, very good, Gautam. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Gautam. Yes, Ivan Sai. Show me, Ivan Sai. You got a 4-line note. Okay. Very good, Ivan Sai.
I done.
Okay, Adya, show me. Very good, Adya. Nice. You just need to write how many times you have done. That's enough. Okay. Good, Adya. Yes, who will show me? Yeah, Roshan. I think you're bringing it too closer. Yes, Roshan.
Finished.
Good, Roshan. Very good. Yes, Varnika. Birthday baby. Very good, Varnika. Good. Yes, who is that? Ma'am. Nivin Surya. Yes, Nivin Surya. Show me. Okay, good.
Sorry.
Good, Nivin Surya. Yes, Kaushik. Good, Kaushik. You don't have to do a curve in the down. See?
Ilan.
See here. See here, they have not given a curve. Okay, Kaushik. See, I'm writing here. Maybe it is very clear here. See, from here, I'm go up. Okay, then 3, inverted 3, right? I'm just doing here. Don't do like this curve here. Okay, the curve will not come. It will just be ending like this. Okay, Kaushik, just leave it
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Kaushik. Thank you so much for listening. Yeah. Okay, then who is showing me? Yes, Izan. Yeah, Izan. Izan, where is E? I can see ABCD. Where is E? Yeah, Izan. Good. Good, Izan. Say E. Say E and write. Okay.
इधर देखो स्क्रीन पे देखो.
Good, Izan. Lekshita, yes. Trace it, Lekshita. E. Very good. Okay. Okay, then what about... Where is my friend Dayanand? I didn't see Dayanand yet. Yes, ma'am.
Small cursive E.
Wait. We'll do. Okay. Yes, Dayanand, I came to see you. Show me. Yes, Lakshraj. Okay. The last one alone is not correct, but otherwise, the rest of the thing is okay, Lakshraj. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, Dayanand. Good, Dayanand. I saw that. Okay. Yes, Ryan is writing. Ryan, have you written? Show me, Ryan. How far you have written? Good. You finished the first 2 lines. You started writing. Okay. Okay, children. So now I think most of them have written. If I have not checked yours here, I'll check for the small e. Okay. I think I left a few of you. Grutvik. Grutvik, can you show me? Where are you? Okay. Good, Grutvik. Okay. So now we'll write small e. Okay, small letter. Okay, small running letter. So you're going to write with me. First, let me show you.
Ma'am, I write it. I don't write it, ma'am.
Who is that? Lekshita, you traced it, right? You can write it later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please don't unmute, dear. Okay. So small e will be, you should write within the blue line. Okay. It's like slanting line, go up and then see. So ma'am is going to write here small e. So I'm going to write small e. Start from the second blue line, go up, bend, and then put a C like this. This is small e. Slanting line, go up, and then C. See here in the worksheet, they have given the same thing. That is our worksheet. See here. So let us start from the second blue line. Second blue line.
Ma'am,
up and then C like this. Small e. Yes, Kumara Guruparan, tell me.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, another way. Yeah. Good. Very good, Kumara Guruparan. Start with small e. Okay, you can finish the rest of the thing later. Very good. Start with small e. Small e also you did. Tracing. Very good. Capital E, I think you have done. Okay. So those who have finished small e, very good. I think Sachar has already started. Those who didn't do, write along with me, children. How do you write? Slanting line, go up, touch the first blue line, and then a C. If you know to write C, most of our cursive will be easy. Okay. Small e. Small e. How do you write small e? Same way. How do you write the rest? Small e. So here. E. Small is slanting line and then backward bend and then a C. Slanting line, backward bend and then a C. This is small e. Here itself, whatever you have written, no, halfway, this is small e. See? Slanting line, go up. You are writing like this. Then you are putting one more. It becomes capital E.
I finished, ma'am.
Good. If you finish, very good, children. Please don't unmute, children. If you have finished, very good. Okay, keep it down. I saw your notebook, Saicharan. I saw that time. Okay, when you showed me the capital, I saw. Izan, please write small e. Write 5 times and then we'll move on to the next activity. If anybody needs help or don't know how to write capital E or small e, please unmute and let me know. I'll help you out. Okay? If you find it difficult, just let me know. Yes, Kaushik. Can you lift it and show me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to go to the
Good, Kaushik. Yes, you can go to restroom, children. Whoever wants to go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Izan, sit, Izan. See, all your friends are sitting and writing. I don't want anybody to stand up in the middle of the class. Sit down. Izan, please sit down. Sit properly. Take out your pencil and write small e. Only then I'm going to give a star for your homeworks.
Okay, ma'am.
Arjun, are you writing, Arjun? Come, sit down, quick.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes.
said sit down, ma'am. He don't want to sit in the chair.
No. I meant not to stand up and jump here and there. Just sit on the chair and sit on the floor. Please sit on the chair, Shiva. I meant sit down, not on the floor. Sit down. You can sit on the chair. Jayakrish, take the pencil out. Yes, Kumara Guruparan. Right, Smally. Right, Smally.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, finish. Please stay on note. Very good.
Ma'am, please finish the
Yes, Lakshita. Very good, Lakshita.
Thanks.
Okay. If everybody has written small e 5 times, let me know. We'll move on to the next activity, children. Yes, who is that? Wait, give me a minute, I'll come.
Ma'am, I
Yes, Nivin Surya, tell me.
Ma'am, sorry, but there's capital, but ma'am.
Okay, very good, Nivin Surya. Good. Izan finished writing? Smally?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Shravan. I'm coming to see you. Okay. Okay, actually, yeah, okay. Okay, Shravan. The C can be little wider, Shravan. That is what I am about to say. See, it sometimes it might look like L. See, if you just go like this, nicely come C like this. Okay. Okay, Shravan. Good. Thank you so much, Shravan. Okay, children, I think most of you have done writing. Anybody still writing E, small e? Raise your hand. Lakshraj finished? Yes. Kaushik finished. Lakshita finished. I saw Sai Charan finished. Shiva is writing. Yes. Anybody still writing? Anybody didn't start writing small e? Raise your hand. Kumaragam, now you writing, dear?
Ma'am, he's got to write next page, ma'am.
Who? Kumaragarubaran. The same page. The same page he has to write small e. Okay, Arjun finished writing small e, Arjun. Yes. Can you see? Super, Arjun. Very good. Small e, little better next time. Okay, within the blue line. Capital E is fine.
Ma'am, I finished both.
Good, Adya. Good, Lakshraj. Good, very good, Lakshraj. Small e looks perfect. It looks neat. Yes, Arav Akshat. It's been long time I didn't see you. Yeah. Good. Good, Akshat. I saw yours. Arav, show me. Very nice. Small e looks perfect, Arav. Small is perfect. Yes, Gautam.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished? Okay. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here, Arav Akshat, I saw that. Looks neat.
Ma'am.
Yes, Satvik. Finished. Satvik is showing me. Very good, Satvik. Small e looks perfect, Satvik. Good. You're writing within the blue line. Very good. Children, just ensure small letters write within the blue line. Okay. So, shall we move on to the next activity? Are you people ready? Ready? I'm ready.
I am.
Very good. Stay on mute and then show me thumbs up. Please don't unmute. Please, children. Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Yes. Okay. So now what did we do? We'll just recall. We had Varnika's birthday today. We wished her. We did an activity, a warm-up activity of kangaroo pose. Then we heard the rhyme. We heard the sounds of A to F, right? Then we trace E. Okay, we'll quickly trace F. Okay, we are going to do F. No, we'll do an activity and then we'll come back. Okay, we'll do. Shall we recall? Shall we recall whoever helped us to build the house? Yesterday we learned. Remember, people who come to build our house. Okay, I'm going to ask.
Can I
Yeah, Izan, can you tell me who all are helping us to build our house, Izan?
Ma'am, Rayan, can I tell? Number.
I'll call you Rayan, okay? I've asked Izan, I'll come back to the next question, okay? Izan, tell me who are helping us to build the house. I'm showing you the picture.
Electrician.
Very good, electrician. This uncle. Okay, what will the electrician do, Izan?
Light. Fan.
Yes. Yes. What, Kumaraguru? Yes, Kumaraguru, tell me.
Ma'am, he's asking page number what?
We are not writing now anything. Okay. When we write, I'll tell you the page number. Okay, Kumaraguru? Okay. Yeah, Izan. Light, fan. Very good. Then?
AC.
Yeah, correct, Izan. Very good. So, electrician uncle will bring the screwdriver and this, I forgot the name. A screwdriver. When something gets repaired, he'll come and fix it for us. Okay, so this is electrician. Rayan, tell me who is this? Painter. What will painter do?
He will paint
Yeah, he
the
or
wall.
she will bring the brush and paint the wall wherever.
Ma'am, I also want to see.
Okay, I'm going to ask Ritvik. I'll call the name. Please stay on mute. I'll call the name. Everybody will get a chance either today or tomorrow also. You will have a chance. Ritvik, who is this? Carpenter.
Carpenter.
Yeah. He'll use,
Carpenter.
what he'll do? What he'll do, carpenter?
Carpenter.
ఏం చేస్తారు
Put it chair and room.
He'll use the saw, cut the wood and make doors and window for us, table for us. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm going to ask my husband, who is this? Papa.
Hello.
My husband.
Plumber.
Plumber. What will plumber do?
Fixing.
He'll fix the tap, he'll fix the sink, he'll fix the pipelines where we get water. Yes. Okay.
Fix the water.
Okay. Adya, who is this Adya?
Building mason.
Mason, very good. He builds the house with stone and bricks, and this is called trowel. What is this called? Trowel. Yeah, trowel. When you buy this beach toy, you will get something for digging the sand. That is called shovel. Okay, and this is called trowel. Trowel. Okay. Okay. So quickly we'll do the worksheet and then we'll do the next activity. Okay, children, please take this today worksheet D22 CTWS01. Before that, I want all you to clap for the numbers I say. Okay, ready? Before we get on to the worksheet, a quick activity to refreshen us. Okay, count three. What you should do? 3 times. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 4, 4. Okay, 3. I'll tell you the worksheet. Kumaragopani, just clap now. Clap 2 times. Clap 2 times. 1, 1, 0, 0. Why are you clapping for 0? No clapping. Okay. Okay. So now, Kumaragopani, this is the worksheet. Kumaragopani, I'm showing you. It's D22 CT. Those who are having a different worksheet, I think you would have done 20. You will have it as 21. Okay, you will have it as day 21. Because
It is this one.
Who is showing me? Give me a minute. I'll come and check. Yeah, yes, Saichana, I'm showing the picture. Same one. Yes. You all having this worksheet?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Anybody without this worksheet? Please let me know.
Ma'am, your
If you can tell me if you don't have the worksheet. Okay. Yes.
voice is breaking, ma'am.
My voice is breaking.
Voice breaking. No, it's not breaking, ma'am.
It's not breaking. Okay. Okay, take this worksheet. I'm not talking anything. Take this worksheet. Okay, Sachin is going to tell me. Sachin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're going to help me this. Okay, Sachin. Okay, who is this uncle? What is he doing? He is
Cutting.
carpenter. Yes, he is carpenter. He is cutting the wood. So cutting the wood, he will fix the pipe which is leaking.
No.
He will paint the walls.
No.
He'll make the table.
Yeah.
Yes. So circle. Carpenter will cut the wood and make the table. Circle this. So carpenter will cut the wood, make tables, make windows, make doors, make your desk, writing desk, whatever you have. The cot, the bed you put on the cot, right? So carpenter. Then I'm going to call Yuvan Sai. He is going to help me for this. Yuvan Sai, do you see this uncle? Yuvan Sai, are you there? Are you able to hear me?
எப்படி போகணுன்ற சொல்றியா?
He is this electrician. Who is this Yuvan Sai? Electrician will work with wires. He uses screwdriver. Okay. Will he build a house with bricks? No.
Mailbox features அதுல போயிட்டு நைட் கோவா.
Will he stitch the chappals and shoes?
No, ma'am.
No. He will use a screwdriver and checks the wires here.
Yeah.
Yes. So circle this.
இப்ப நார்மல் பண்றது எப்படி?
Everybody done? Just circle this. Kumaraguran, did you take the worksheet, Kumaraguran? I see you sitting there. What? Kumaraguran, did you circle it? Did you take the worksheet? Did you circle the table and the switches? Very good. Switches. Did you circle the switches, Kumaraguran? See, I'm showing you. Circle the switches. Done, everybody? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes? Okay. Okay, Kumruvan, thank you so much. Keep it down. Okay, so we traced E and wrote E, right? We have F also. Okay, today worksheet we have F. Shall we write F, children? F. F, shall we write F? Okay. Yes or no, or we'll do some activity?
No.
I will ask. Come in, tell me. We'll write F or we'll do some activity?
Activity.
Okay, we'll write F tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kumaragoran, we'll do the activity. Okay, did you all... I'll just stop sharing. Give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll come back. Did you all have the paper for the activity? Do you all get the paper? Okay, I'm going to show you if you're not...
Ma'am, I don't have a paper, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to do and show the cat for you today, okay? You're going to try later at home, okay? Wait. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, how to do. You can try it at home, okay? So ma'am is going to do a cat with a paper, okay? So you're all able to see me? Give me a minute. I will take myself that. Okay. Are you able to see me? So I have taken a square paper. Okay, take a square paper at home. If you have now, you can do. If not, you can do it at home. No problem. First listen, okay? I took a square paper. Okay, I'll just try to pin me. Okay, I've taken a square paper. So what did I do? I just, first it is in square shape. See, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, okay? I'm just going to take this corner tip and then this tip, fold it like a triangle. See, I fold it like a triangle.
Ma'am, I don't have a paper, ma'am.
If you have paper, you can do it, or else you can do it later. Okay, no problem. I'm just showing you. You can do it later also. Okay, so don't hurry up and rush up and grab the paper. You just listen it, see what ma'am is doing. Check if ma'am is doing it right. Okay, you can try it later. So now with the square I got a triangle, right? So now look here. Yeah. See, I've got a triangle now. So with this triangle, what I'm doing is I'm just folding. You will have, if you make a triangle, what you will have? You will have a sharp one and then you will have the flat one, right? See, I got like this triangle. So this, I have folded it. I had a square. I just folded it. I got like this. Okay, the sharp one here and the flat one here. Okay. Then what did I do? This flat one, I just folded it like this. The center, I folded it like this, and you have to crease it. The main thing of origami, whenever you do is you crease it properly and fold it properly. And here I have like this, this flap, I'm closing it like this. I'm creasing it. Okay. So I had a square. Then I had a square. Repeat. I had a square. I folded it like a triangle. Then the center, I'm folding it like this. This one, I'm folding it like this. So I will have like this. Okay. On the top, I have the tip. This tip, I am just folding it like this. So now now we'll have the shape like this. How will you have? You will have a flat one and then a slanting line, and this like this. Now what did I do? I drew eyes here, 2 eyes, and then a mustache, and then a mouth. So I got a small cat. Okay, I think this is simple for you. If you have paper, you can try it at home. If not, next week we'll be free. Okay, we'll do it together. Both you and me will do it together. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to show you. Did you all like this cat? Who wants this cat? Raise your hand. Let me see who wants this cat. Kavin is racing. Ashiva is racing. Gautam is racing. Ryan is racing. Okay. Kritik is racing. Lekshita is racing. Adya is racing. Kavin's sister is racing. Okay. Izan is racing. Okay. Yes. Shravan is racing. Okay. We'll do this cat tomorrow. Tomorrow, will you all get a square paper? We'll do it together. Okay, get a square paper tomorrow. Any paper, white paper, or even newspaper also you can bring, no problem. Get a square paper like this tomorrow. We'll do the cat. Okay. Okay. So quickly we're going to do our greater than less than worksheet. Okay. So please take the worksheet now, children. Who has done it? Yeah, Shiva. Good job, Shiva. Yes, Nivin Surya. Very good, Nivin Surya. You can draw the eyes later, okay? For the cat, you draw it later. Kumaraguruparan, can you please stay on mute, Kumaraguruparan? That will help us. Please stay on mute. If you have any questions, unmute and ask me. Good, Gautam. Good. Yes, good, Lakshraj. Nice. Okay, you can try this later at home, others. Okay. So now what we'll do is, as you said, we're going to do. We'll quickly do this, okay? I think we are getting piled up with so many things here. Okay. So I want you to take SR D22 MTWS01, the math worksheet, greater than less than. Everybody took this, Sai Charan, Lekshita S, Kumaraguruparan.
Mama, how is this like you?
Huh? Who asked me? I am not able to see your face. Who asked me something? Yes, you are having that, Sai Charan. Good, Sai Charan. Take that worksheet. Write your name and today's date. Haswin, did you write today's name and date? Did you take the worksheet? Yes, Ryan, did you take the worksheet? Dayanand, have you taken the worksheet?
Ma'am, Izan is not doing, ma'am.
Izan, I saw you in the video. You're jumping here and there, Izan. Yes, I saw that, Izan. Very bad. You're a good boy. I know you're a very, very good boy. You helped me with the answers, right? You told me electrician helped me, right? Now also you're going to help me. If only if you sit down, I'll ask you help. Sit down. Take your rough note.
Ma'am,
Take your rough note, Izan.
again.
Yeah, they were about to say something. Tell me, Adya.
Page number again.
I'll show you. I'll show you again. Izan, I'm showing you the page worksheet. Start writing the number, Izan. You don't have the worksheet now. Start writing. Adya, able to see?
Yes, ma'am. I got.
Which is greater number? 6 or 12? Which is the greater number? 6 bada, 12 bada, Izan? 6 bada.
12.
Huh?
12.
Izan, I'll give you 6 chocolates. You want 6 chocolates or you want 12 chocolates? I have 6 chocolates in this hand. I have 12 in this hand. Which you want?
12.
12, right? So 12 is greater. So quickly, I'm going to show you this. Okay? We are going to do here. I'm going to stop sharing this.
Either लिख तो number.
You have the same numbers here. Okay?
See.
Yeah, first, Izan, please stay on mute, Izan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to. Okay, those who have finished, please stay on mute. Very good. Okay, I'm going to call Gautam. Gautam is going to help me. I got the crocodiles. Gautam is going to help me where to fix the crocodile. You see the number 6?
Yes. Which number?
6. Gautam, look at me. Look at me. You have the. You see the number 6?
Yes.
Yes. You see number 1, 2. What is 1, 2?
12.
12.
Number சொல்லு.
Which is greater? 12 or 6? Which is greater? After 6,
7.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is greater, 6 is smaller. So where will the crocodile open the mouth? This side or that side?
This
This
side.
side or this side?
12.
12 side.
Well, see the crocodile is opening the mouth this side. Everybody is able to see me? So you want to draw the crocodile mouth opening towards 12. Towards 12. The crocodile is opening the mouth towards 12.
7.
12 is greater.
12 is greater.
சொல்லு. 12 is greater.
12 is greater.
Very good, Gautam. Thank you. Next, I'm going to call Arav. Arav is going to help me for the next one. Arav, please unmute Arav. Yuvansai, did you write the numbers in your rough note? Yuvansai, keep writing. Arav, what is the number here, Arav? I'm not able to see you. However,
See the number. You know.
Which is 20.
9.
12. 12 is
what's the number? Yeah, that we have done. That we have done. I'm asking the next. This is we have done. So open the book. Nayan, what is this?
70. 90.
17. Nayan or 17 is greater?
9.
No. You want 9 toys or 17 toys?
9.
No, after 9 only it is 17, right? 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So which is greater? 17.
17.
It's not 9, okay? Okay. I'm going to call Kavan. Kavan, can you please unmute Kavan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you see the numbers 1, 16?
Yes.
Okay, which is greater? 1 is greater or 16 is greater?
1.
1 is greater?
16.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to draw the crocodile mouth towards 16. The crocodile is opening the mouth towards 16. Okay.
See, ma'am. My homework.
Then I'm going to ask Satvik. Satvik, you're going to help me. What's the number here, Satvik?
15.
5.
5.
Here, what is the number? 1, 6,
16.
16. Which is greater, 5 or 16?
16. 16.
16. So the crocodile is opening the mouth towards 16. Okay, understood, children. Anybody didn't understand? I think you're not clear with this, right? Satvik,
I got
you understood? You understood? Can you keep the scale down and draw crocodile mouth in your worksheet? I'm going to draw now. Who is going to help me with what color? Let me see. I'm going to write the worksheet. I'm going to complete it first. I'm going to do it fast. First one,
but
I'm going to write 12.
ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Good, children. If you have finished, very good. I'm going to write only now 12, 17, 16. I think till we have done here, okay? Yes. Okay. Now I am going to call Mahaswin.
Ma'am,
You have 7 here, you have 17 here. Which is greater?
17.
7 or 17?
Sam,
Very good. So crocodile will open the mouth towards 17. I'm going to call Lakshraj. Lakshraj,
yes, ma'am.
what is the number here, Lakshraj?
11.
Very good. So which is greater? 11 or which is greater? This or this?
No.
Both are equal.
Both are equal.
So when equal, what we should do? We should draw crocodile mouth.
No.
We should draw 2 sleeping lines equal to.
Yes.
Understood, Lakshraj? Very good. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to call Lisha.
Fine, I'm correct.
What is the number here?
What is this number?
2. What is the number here?
This number.
8.
See this?
18. 1, 8, 18.
18.
Which is greater? 2 or 18? Which is greater?
Here and here. This is greater. This is one. Which one? Ah. Oh, what number is this?
23.
Very good.
Very good. So the crocodile is opening the mouth and it wanted to eat 18. So, like this. Thank you, Lisha. So those who have not finished, please copy this. 12 is greater than 6. 17 is greater than 9. 16 is greater than 1. 16 is greater than 5. 17 is greater than 7. 11 and 11 are equal. And then last one, 18 is greater than 2. Children, I'll give you a clue. So whenever you have like this, greater than, less than, if you don't know which number is greater, just think which number comes before, which number comes after. Suppose take this, no, 218. Okay, which will come first? Count the numbers, no problem. It will take time, but count the numbers. 1, 2. So 2 comes first. Okay. After 2 only you will have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 will come after 2. So whichever comes after, that is a bigger number. That is a greater number. So put the crocodile mouth opening that greater number. Like that you do, then it will be easy. Take this 7 and 17. Dayanand, tell me, Dayanand, 7 and 17, no? Which is greater, Dayanand? Which comes first, Dayanand?
7.
7. Very good, Dayanand. Thank you so much. 7 will come first, okay? So 7 will come first. Only after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then only you'll get 17. So 17 is greater. So whichever is greater, the crocodile will open the mouth towards a greater number. Like that we have to do, children. Okay. So by doing more worksheet, next week we'll do full revision. We'll get used to this. Don't worry. So today that's all we'll do. Tomorrow we'll write F and then the next alphabet we'll take it over to the next day. No problem. So anybody having any questions? Anything not clear what we learned today? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
No. So today we trace E. What is sound of E? I'm going to ask Kumaraguruparan. What is the sound of E, Kumaraguruparan? E.
Say loudly, say loudly.
Very good. Yes. Varnika, can you name one community helper, Varnika, which we learned today?
Yes, ma'am.
Any one community helper name? Who helps us to build a house?
I'm 717.
No. Electrician, plumber, like that. Who help us to build a house? Okay, yes. So we recalled electrician, plumber, carpenter, painter. We traced E. Okay. So I'll send you the homework worksheet as usual. You can do the homework worksheet, send it back to me. Okay. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much, children. Varnika, have a great birthday. God bless you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.